Welcome to this tapping session focused on embracing gratitude. Let's take a moment to center ourselves. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale, releasing any tension. Now start tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I sometimes forget to appreciate the good in my life, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes take things for granted, I choose to appreciate all that I have. Eyebrow. I am open to seeing the blessings all around me. Side of the eye. Gratitude fills my heart. Under the eye. I am thankful for the abundance I have. Under the nose. Each moment is a gift. Under the mouth. I choose to focus on the positive. Collarbone. Gratitude brings me peace. Under the arm. I am grateful for my journey. Top of the head. I welcome gratitude into my life. Back to the eyebrow. Gratitude opens my heart. Side of the eye. I am grateful for my strength. Under the eye. I appreciate the love around me. Under the nose. Gratitude uplifts my spirit. Under the mouth. I am thankful for new opportunities. Collarbone. Gratitude is my guiding light. Under the arm. I embrace the abundance in my life. Top of the head. I am grateful for this moment. Now let's take another deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension. Now one more time. Inhale deeply and exhale, feeling gratitude fill your entire being. Thank you for joining this session, and may gratitude continue to guide your day.